I'll tell you what I am gonna have to do is build a... Probably to make it easiest, honestly, would be to build a staircase up there. I kind of think it's fun having to build, like... I don't know, it's kind of cool having to build the infrastructure for building the house. There's something about that that makes it fun. Come on. The easiest thing will be to build. Just go ahead and build a staircase up here. Are you calling it a night, Kelvin? I don't blame you. So we got to put up all the up logs. We're gonna go up one more floor,